cross the road because the chicken on the road get meat on the road.
Whoa! That's a good knock-knock joke. I love it.
Hey, Denver.
Hey, Denver.
What?
You want to tell a joke?
Okay.
Come here.
Why did the...
Come here.
Why did
Sit down. Okay, now you tell me one.
Why did the chicken cross the road? Because they wanted some choking water.
You guys are silly gooses.
Why pig cross the road?
Why'd the pig cross the road? Because
chicken at the road.
he's trying to get the chicken out of the road?
Because the chicken laid some eggs on the road.
Is that right, Cassie?
No.
No?
Pig crossed the road. And the chicken crossed the road. And trying to get meatballs.
Trying to get meatballs?
They're trying to get some chicken nuggets. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, dirty, but...
You're crazy, girl.
Wait, go on the because he's on track of strawberry 888.
You're silly gooses, both of you. Oh,